Starting early next year, Ford owners will be granted access to thousands of Tesla superchargers across the United States and Canada. It's part of a new partnership announced on Twitter Spaces by Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Ford CEO Jim Farley. Farley joins us right now, first on Squawk Box this morning, to talk more about it. And Jim, welcome. This is some pretty big and pretty surprising news.
Yeah, it was a big week for us, Becky and Andrew, and this announcement we think will really help our EV customers have a much better experience.
You know, it was surprising just from the perspective that you all are rivals. I don't know if you want to call respectful rivals, frenemies, something along those lines. How did this deal come about? What happened?
Well, we've been actually working on it for a couple of years. You know, we know that charging, we're number 2 in EV sales in the U.S. behind Tesla. And we know charging is a really big deal for our customers and adoption. And we're now scaling. We're like basically doubling our EV capacity this year. And we're going to get to 2 million in a couple of years. So this is a big deal for the company and for our customers. And we have about 10,000 fast chargers now. This is going to double that.
In an unprecedented move that's poised to shake the automotive world, titans of industry, Ford and Tesla, are initiating a partnership that could change and redefine the playing field. This collaboration marks a remarkable twist in the tale of the automotive industry, promising to become one of the most monumental alliances in the history of car manufacturing. In a vivid demonstration of its unrivaled supremacy in the electric vehicle market, Tesla is breaking boundaries yet again. By opening the doors of its superlative charging stations to its competition, it's carrying out an unexpected path that exudes confidence and strategy. This audacious move showcases Tesla's vision for a sustainable future where collaboration trumps rivalry. Now, let's take a moment to tune into the insightful perspectives of Ford's former CEO Mark Fields and Ross Gerber, an industry authority known for his sharp and incisive analysis. Before we get going though, make sure that you stay subscribed so you don't miss out on all the exciting content that we've got going on for you. So buckle up and let's embark on this electrifying journey of innovation, growth, and the promise of a green, sustainable future.
Ross, as a Tesla shareholder, do you like it?
I love it. I think it's just a wonderful move by Tesla because you have to look at the business as different sections. And Tesla charging is one of the most important and valuable parts of Tesla today because the network works so well compared to the competitors. So Ford is making a super smart move by plugging into the network. And for Tesla, they're going to get all this fee revenue from Ford users now joining the Tesla supercharging network, which I think will end up being very profitable for Tesla.
I was going to say, Mark, what was in it for Elon? Is it about the fees, or is there something more to it? Because I can easily imagine a scenario in which they decided to have a walled garden and basically step on the throat of some of these legacy OEMs.
Well, listen, I think there's a number of advantages for Tesla. First off, it just reinforces that they're the leader in this space. When you have, a traditional automaker like Ford saying, I'm going to use their standard. And in their products coming in 2025, Ford's actually going to adopt their North American charging standard, which is a big deal. But secondly, they qualify now for the IRA funding from the government to help further build out their charging infrastructure. So again, they're getting federal assistance, if you will, to aid their business. And, I think one of the most ironic things is, prior to this, the traditional automakers were buying EV tax credits from Tesla. Well, now that's waning. Guess what? Now they're going to start to be able to gain some new revenues and profitability from providing, the charging stations. So I think there's a lot of advantages there. The only disadvantages is, listen, if you're in a Cybertruck and you're in a line behind a Ford F-150 or a Mach-E, that's going to be a bit of a problem.
Tesla and Ford are two prominent names in the automotive industry, representing different eras and approaches to dominance in the market. While both companies have achieved significant success, their paths to dominance and their impact on the industry differ in several key ways. Interestingly, these companies are working on a way to make EV usage more seamless and enjoyable, despite competing directly and sharing a unique rivalry. According to Ford's CEO, this is a huge move for the EV industry and all electric customers. Hey guys, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Ford has recently struck a deal to give its drivers access to 12,000 fast charging stations in Tesla's network, in an attempt to combat range anxiety that might discourage car shoppers from buying one of its electric vehicles. Ford Chief Executive Jim Farley announced the deal alongside Elon Musk during an event at Twitter Space. According to him, Ford owners will receive access via an adapter that converts the electric connections in Tesla's superchargers for use in Ford's Mustang Mach-E or F-150 Lightning pickup trucks. The deal more than doubles the number of fast charging stations in Ford's North American charging network. Farley stated that the news has got the Ford community really excited, adding that the company is also currently ramping up production. Uncover what this game-changing collaboration could mean for Tesla stakeholders as we dive deep into the implications it could have on Tesla stock and the electrifying future on the EV industry. Let's get started. Tesla has been at the forefront of EV technology, focusing on range, performance, and self-driving capabilities. They have their proprietary charging networks called Tesla Supercharger Network, which has pushed advancements in autonomous driving technology. Tesla was already planning to partly open its 45,000 charger network to all electric car models by the end of 2024, at the White House's urging, and to gain access to $7.5 billion in subsidies. The Tesla first quarter shareholder deck saw the company disclose that it had roughly 45,000 supercharger connectors worldwide at 4,947 supercharger stations. Tesla will open up at least 7,500 of those to drivers of any EV model, including 3,500 along US highways. According to Jim Farley, when Ford's second generation of EVs are available in 2025, they will be built with the same connector that Tesla already uses, eliminating the need for an adapter, which Elon Musk says will cost hundreds of dollars. One of the most notable differences between Tesla and Ford is their focus on EVs. Tesla, founded in 2003, has been at the forefront of EV innovation, driving the adoption and popularity of electric cars worldwide. The company's founder, Elon Musk, has been instrumental in shaping Tesla's vision and driving its dominance in the EV market. On the other hand, Ford, a long-established automaker, initially lagged behind in embracing electric mobility. However, in recent years, Ford has made significant strides in transitioning to EVs and has committed to investing heavily in electrification. Ford notably beat Tesla to the pickup segment, beginning production of its F-150 Lightning in April 2022. Ford also heavily benchmarked the Tesla Model Y for its Mustang Mach-E crossover and followed Tesla in price cuts of the electric crossovers. Even Elon Musk has repeatedly praised Ford as a holistic American company, lauding its ability to avoid bankruptcy unlike its cross-town rivals General Motors and Chrysler during the recession. Ford has a rich legacy and is deeply entrenched in the traditional automotive market. Its dominance is built on a long history of manufacturing and delivering reliable vehicles that cater to a broad range of customers. Tesla, on the other hand, has gained a reputation for being a disruptor in the automotive industry, known for its cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and emphasis on sustainable transportation. Its brand image is closely associated with innovation, luxury, and eco-friendliness. Tesla's dominance lies in its ability to capture the imagination of customers and create a strong following among early adopters of EVs. Tesla and Ford are two prominent companies in the automotive industry, but they have different histories, approaches, and focus. Both companies also have their own unique strengths and strategies and target markets. Ultimately, customer preferences, technological advancements, and market dynamics play a crucial role in shaping the competition between Tesla and Ford in the automotive industry. Farley commended Tesla on its charging network during a Morgan Stanley conference, saying that while Ford has created its own charging products for commercial customers, automakers should consider collaborating on charging infrastructure for the general public. Tesla already has the fastest supercharging network in the world, and will definitely grow bigger from this. According to Tesla investor Ross Gerber, this network could be worth 20 to 30 billion or even more. Although it's not fully estimated what Tesla's supercharger network is actually worth, several stock analysts have factored in their valuation of Tesla with these results. Tesla is also becoming the only rated supercharging network, and will eventually be when it opens up this facility to more non-Tesla EV users, allowing those on road trips or traveling longer distances to easily charge their cars. This will not only facilitate Tesla's goals towards clean energy, but it will also contribute significantly to its valuation. Since Tesla has clearly dominated the supercharger network, it is only expected that other EV companies start to partner with Tesla to provide supercharging services for their electric cars, just as they are likely to leverage Tesla's autonomous software in the future. Tesla's dominance stems from its pioneering efforts in electric vehicles, innovation technology, and brand image centered around sustainability and luxury. The car company has gained significant attention for its innovation and with its strides that it's made in electric vehicles, and it's also experienced rapid growth and achieved a high market valuation. On the other hand, Ford has also got a long-established presence in the industry, with a wide range of vehicles and a focus on both internal combustion and electric vehicles. Ford's dominance is rooted in its manufacturing scale, legacy infrastructure, and a reputation for producing reliable vehicles for the masses. Overall, both Tesla and Ford have made significant contributions to the automotive industry, although they have achieved dominance through distinct approaches and market positioning. It is expected that the recent partnership will foster more interest in electric vehicles, since the infrastructures needed, in this case the charging facility, are becoming more widely available. But what do you think? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.